Hi, my name is Nic Piano. I'm Director of Sales at Pumps of Houston. Here we've got one of our GTO control panels. So this is a Duplex alternating control panel that we use a GRUNDFOS controller on. It's used on stormwater or sanitary applications, and this one in particular is going to a stormwater pump station for an apartment complex actually just down the road from our office. Inside we've got a GRUNDFOS 362 controller. This is the brains of the operation. This is what tells the pumps to turn on and off. It's reading the level constantly through a pressure transducer. It is monitoring the pump's run times, starts per day, and also outputting on a nice graphical deal. So a programmable logical controller, you have to have somebody to program it. Everything's kind of pre-configured. You just change set points and buttons, and it does everything you need it to. We use a 304 stainless steel enclosure, so it's designed to last for a very long time in the field under harsh applications. We've got NEMA starters and overloads, so very robust for handling, and they're sized according to the pumps. Some of the key components in here, you've got your incoming disconnect. So incoming power comes here, comes down through a power distribution block, splits between your pump breakers. Here we've got CTs, so this is actually monitoring the amperages as the pump's running. So we can detect if there's an issue with the pump, if it's clogged, ragged up, whatever it may be, before it damages the pumps. It triggers back to the GRUNDFOS controller and dictates, hey, I'm pulling too high of amps, I'm gonna shut down. You've got your contactors and overloads. These are a secondary check as well. These are monitoring the amps. If it gets above a certain point, it'll trip, locking the pump out and triggering an alarm. Over here on this side, we've got a phase monitor. So this is just determining if there's an imbalance in the incoming power. If there's an imbalance, it'll shut it down because you could damage your pumps due to that. Here we've got an input-output module. So this is actually kind of reading all the various relays, seal fail, and kind of communicating back to here. And lastly, one of the key components are these right here. These are seal fail and overtemp. So all submersible pumps come with a seal fail and overtemp. This just helps protect the pump. If the seal fails and water gets into the motor, water and electricity do not mix, so this will trigger it to shut down. And then also overtemp. If the pump's running too hot, it'll shut it down, trigger an alarm, and keep everything from just burning up. It's good to prevent catastrophic failures in your pumps.